Hello students, let us discuss about melanin pigment disorder. And first one is albinism. Albino means white. This is an inborn error of melanin pigment synthesis. There is complete lack of melanin pigment. It is autosomal recessive disorder and its incidence is 1 in 20,000 live births. There are many reasons for this albinism. The first one is complete deficiency of tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is the enzyme required for synthesis of melanin from tyrosine, and if there is complete deficiency, the albinism occur. Second, there is inhibition of this tyrosinase. Third, there occur lack of polymerization, and fourth one is melanosome synthesis problems. So what are the clinical features? The clinical features are the skin, eyes and hair. Where the pigment is present, they are all white. So color is white, hence the name albinism. This melanin, the function of the melanin is to protect body from the sunlight, UV rays of the sunlight. It protects from sunlight. Now, as there is no melanin pigment, what will happen? The skin is more prone for skin cancers, and there occur photophobia, that means the person is sensitive to light. He try to avoid the light, and hence there is continuous motion of the eyeball, and this leads to nystagmus, pigment disorder, albinism. Second one is vitiligo or leukoderma. This is an acquired disorder against albinism, which is a congenital disorder, and this is due to antibodies are formed against melanocytes. So this is also called as an autoimmune disease, and it is a progressive disorder. So vitiligo starts with a single patch and it extends. Third condition is graying of hairs. Graying of hairs is very commonly seen, and this is due to deficiency of melanocytes in the hair root cells, and there occur non-synthesis of melanin pigment, and thereby graying of hairs occur. Fourth one is copper deficiency. In copper deficiency, tyrosinase is copper dependent enzyme, and when there is a copper deficiency, there occur light color, and in case of copper sufficiency, hairs are dark color. So if there are alternate patches of alternate periods of copper deficiency and sufficiency, there occur flag sign. In between, the hairs are light colored, and in between they are dark color. This is called as a flag sign. The fifth one is carcinoma, that is malignant melanoma. This is due to excessive synthesis of melanoblast, and there occur excretion of melanochrome. In urine. Also, we see moles. Moles or nevi are localized hyperpigmentation, due to overactivity of melanocyte in particular area. This is about melanin pigment disorder. Coming to catecholamine disorders, there are two main catecholamine disorders. One is Parkinson's disease. This is due to deficiency of dopamine. This is common in elderly people. It is also called as shaking palsy. What is the reason for this? Dopamine is important neurotransmitter, and this is not synthesized in certain areas of brain, especially in substantia nigra. Due to degeneration of the substantia nigra, dopamine synthesis is decreased, and this leads to tremors, muscular rigidity, expressionless face, and aggressive behavior. As dopamine cannot enter into the brain, the treatment is that dopa is given in the form of L-dopa is given, and it requires carboxylase enzyme, so that enzyme is also supplied in the form of carbidopa. So L-dopa and carbidopa are given to the patients of Parkinsonism so that dopa will enter into brain, whereby carbidopa carboxylase will act on it to form dopamine, and this dopamine will correct the symptoms to some extent. The last disorder is pheochromocytoma. This is due to excess of norepinephrine. There, the pheochromocytoma is the condition of tumors of adrenal medulla, and this tumor cell secrete excess of norepinephrine. So clinical features are, there is very high blood pressure, hypertension, then excessive flushing, then excessive sweating, diarrhea. And diagnosis of this condition is, there is increased VMA, that is valine mandelic acid, in urine. So this increased VMA in urine is estimated, it will identify this pheochromocytoma. And what is the treatment? Treatment is surgical removal of the tumor.